Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a string art heart. You'll need some string, like embroidery floss, yarn, or crochet thread. And you'll need a square decorative wall panel made of wood or cork. A small hammer and short nails with the wider head work good. Cut out a heart shape from paper or download and print mine from my website, reviewsbysarah.com. You can either trace the heart with the pencil on your board or just leave it there and hammer in your nails, evenly spaced around the heart. Next, take your string and tie and knot it on the bottom nail. Then, just wrap it around each nail in any direction you want. I like to wrap it around the heart to form an outline. At the end, use some clear nail polish to hold your final knot in place. And here's my heart made of string. Please like and comment on this video.
And please push that big red subscribe button on my channel. And check out my website at reviewsbysarah.com.